about to go masala this. Thank you, Sherry and Rocky, for this delicious fish egg. We have our water heating up to steam the fish egg before we masala. So eggs are done steaming. Now it's time to chunky the masala. So I just put oil in the pan. Now I'm gonna add onion, garlic, and tomatoes. And let this fry, and then we're gonna add masala. Masala going in now. And let that fry up a little bit. Like so. So I added the mangoes and let it cook for 5-10 minutes or until soft, and then we're gonna throw the egg in. Okay, eggs going in now. Now let this dry down, and that's it. Curry done.
Shot by.
Curry done. And this is the finished product. Thanks to Rocky and Sherry.
Yes. Picking up being Rocky for giving us this wonderful meal here today, boy.
Now I'm gonna go Sani.